Hey guys, Nvme here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys, which is the HP Omen 30L. It comes with the AMD Ryzen 5800X, which is an 8-core, 16-threaded CPU, and it also comes with a beautiful NVIDIA RTX 3070 non-ultra version. Good for you minor guys right out there. And it's an OEM version, custom made by HP. Let's have a look at it together later on. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, 3200 megahertz, I'm sorry. And it also has a 750 watt Platinum power supply, ATX normal type of power supply. And it comes with a micro ATX motherboard, if I'm not mistaken, and a terabyte of Nvme Ssd. So you get a lot of good things and a lot of value for the money that you're paying for with this prebuild. I'm not a big fan of prebuilds. As you can see right back here, I have my own custom made PC, but with the current situation of graphic cards and the prices of graphic cards, so this pre-build was actually really worth the price that you're gonna be paying for it. So that is the reason that I actually have made this purchase, and we're gonna unbox this thing right now. I'm gonna stop talking, so see you guys in a bit. So as you guys can see, we have the box right over here in front of us. I have not opened the box. You can see the beautiful Omen logo and a picture of the basically PC right there. And here on the other side, we have like some information stuff, barcodes and stuff, and nothing else. And the top, just the delivery information. I'm gonna open the box right now for you guys. So here we go. I got a pink little cute knife, and going all across the safety stuff right there. Okay, some information there. It's a pretty heavy box actually. Let's open it up right now. I'm not sure what you guys can see, if you can see it well or not. There is a very nice foam actually protecting the PC. It's a pretty big foam right there. And then on the side we have power cable and some other useless printed papers, which are bad for the environment. And I don't seem to find anything else. The unit itself actually seems pretty small. It's got a handle once you open it. Not sure if you can see that well. Let me lift up the camera a little bit for you guys. So it's got a handle, so which means that I have to put the box on the floor in order to be able to take it out. Oh, here we go. It's pretty heavy. I cannot find anything else in the box. There's nothing else, just more foam and stuff. So here we have the unit itself actually. It's actually pretty beautiful pre-built. I mean, it's really thin, and I mean it's really slim in terms of looks, and it's got nice beautiful tempered glass right there, good quality tempered glass right there. And you got a lot of ventilation going on in here. You see your AIO there. I'll show you guys in a bit better. You got beautiful Omen logo, which is gonna light up once you switch on. You got that beautiful RGB fan. That's RGB, a lot of RGB going on there. You got the power button, microphone, headphone, USB 3.2, I assume. On the other side, you have a nice camouflage kind of looking Omen logo, more ventilation around this area. And on the back, let me grab my camera instead of leaving it on the tripod. So, on the back, in terms of audio, we do not have much going on actually. We only have headphone, and you know, like all those audio ports. We got USB 3.2, And we have two USB Type-C, not sure if they're Thunderbolt or not, and Ethernet. And on the back of the graphic cards connectivity, we have HDMI and 3 display ports. A lot of ports. You got your standard ATX power supply there. And not sure if you can see the Omen logo well right there. It's kind of we have a pretty nice Omen logo there, which is kind of camouflage with all the ventilation going on around the case. So I assume it's not going to be the best airflow, but it's a decent kind of an airflow kind of a thing. So I'm trying to find out how I can actually open the back here. Well, let me show you what we can see. We can see the 30L logo, the power supply, which is a Cooler master power supply. So they use quality components. You got a nice standard ATX motherboard with standard ports. You got that beautiful Nvme Ssd there. You got the nice AIO with the Omen logo, which is gonna light up, which is gonna cool your CPU. So water cool, 120mm fan. You got your graphics card. Not sure how many fans. It's got 2 fans in there and some other ports. Cable management wise, it seems fine. I'm just gonna open it in a bit for you guys. Yeah, I was trying to find out how to open this thing, and guess what? There's this button right there. The moment you press it, the front panel pops up, and you can lift it up, put it there, and we can have a better look at the inside of this thing. We got 1 intake fan, not enough, but I would say good enough. We got a lot of cables there. We got our RTX 3070, our Cooler master, power supply. At least there's no ketchup and mustard. We got HyperX, Kingston memory, I assume. Does Kingston make HyperX memories? I'm not sure. We got nice amount of heatsink right there, and we got an exhaust fan again. We got 2 exhaust fan here, 1 in there, so the air comes in and then circulates around and then exhausts from up there and then the other side. We got nice RGB fans going on in there, nice heatsink, nice 1 terabyte of NVMe SSD, and it seems pretty good actually, to be honest with you guys. I'm gonna switch this on in a bit. So here comes the moment of truth. So I'm gonna switch it on. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's nice. It looks really good. You got a lot of RGB going on. RGB up there, there, and the RAM's gonna light up too, but there's no windows on this unit. It did light up. Not sure if you can see the color in there. Yeah, you can see that. And we got the fan there and the Omen logo lighting up as well. So it's a pretty beautiful unit actually. It looks really nice. It's done well, unlike Dell or others who make not very good looking or reliable pre-builds. So this looks really nice, to be honest. It's got this anti-sag thingy, GPU holder, so it's gonna hold your GPU nice and tight there. Cable management's not that bad. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys when I'm done reviewing this thing. Thank you for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. And if you guys like this video, subscribe and like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.